How to use Sedgwick on Walmart 1. Understand the types of leave. Familiarize yourself with the types of leave available: continuous, 4+ days, and intermittent for recurring medical needs. 2. Contact Sedgwick. Call Sedgwick at 800-49-2567. 8. Or visit their website to initiate your leave request. 3. Prepare necessary information. Have your Walmart identification number, WIN, current and upcoming work schedule, and your doctor's contact information ready. 4. Submit required paperwork. Sedgwick will send you forms that need to be filled out by you and your doctor. Ensure your doctor completes and returns these forms promptly. 5. Follow up. Check the status of your leave request online or by calling Sedgwick. Keep track of your claim number and any confirmation numbers if you call out at work. 6. Communicate with Walmart. Inform your manager or HR about your leave request. If your leave is denied, discuss possible accommodations or alternatives with your store manager. 7. Return to work. Once your leave is approved and completed, ensure your doctor sends a return to work form to both Sedgwick and your store. So this is how to use Sedgwick on Walmart.